Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to stop videos from automatically playing in Safari on your iPhone. If you're tired of videos starting as soon as you open a web page, follow these simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Next, scroll all the way to the bottom and select Per App Settings. Now tap Add App. From the list of apps, choose Safari. Once Safari has been added, tap on Safari under Pair App Settings. Scroll down until you find Autoplay Video Previews. Tap on it, then select Off. This will stop videos in Safari from automatically playing while you're browsing websites. If you also want to stop animated images from playing automatically, find the Animated Images option and turn it off as well. Your changes are saved automatically, so you can simply exit the Settings app. If this video helped you out, leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.